Hello, this is Kana back with POS Guys. Today I'll be showing you how to find a replacement key for your cash drawer. So one of the ways you can find the replacement key for your cash drawer is to make sure you know the make and model of your cash drawer, where you can find that underneath and it should be on one of the labels. So the second number you would need to know is the number on the lock. So this has a 235 on it, and there's also a lock number right here. And not all cash drawers have lock numbers, such as the Star Micronics cash drawers, so it's just important to know the make and model. With this information, you can go onto the manufacturer's website to find the right key to order as your replacement. If your cash drawer is in the open position but not fully released, you can either use a push trigger to open it, or you can also use a printer to open your cash drawer. For a majority of cases, you just need the model number from the bottom of the cash drawer as well as the lock number in front of the cash drawer. If you happen to have an MMF Cash Drawer, you won't find any luck in finding a replacement key, as that company does not produce any more cash drawers. If you absolutely need to get into your cash drawer right away and you can't wait for the key, then I would recommend unscrewing these screws and opening it up just so you could get to the contents on the inside. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch more videos, we have more videos on our channel, and please check out our website at POSGuys.com. Thank you.